Yes, you heard it right. I used to create LinkedIn ID and then delete my LinkedIn ID, create, delete. This was my life. And seriously, saying now to my past self, I shouldn't be doing that because LinkedIn have helped me a lot and it can help you as well. That's why I am recording this and sharing this with you. If you are a person who is allowed to use social media, then you should be on LinkedIn. So, hi techies, I am gonna talk about connections today and also LinkedIn because who don't love connection? Who don't love making some friends who are actually beneficial to them in the future? So let's actually start. Um, I actually hated LinkedIn because I was not on social media, and you might be shocked that there is a Gen Z person who is not into social media. Yes, I wasn't that much on social media. I used to scroll YouTube. I used to love YouTube, those just relaxing videos or whatever. Let's just don't go there. So, yeah, I used to just scroll through YouTube. I was that person. So, why would I even need social media? And you got school, tuition, self study. There is a lot of things going on. So I also thought that LinkedIn is just another social media and I don't want to use it. I am not on social media and I don't want to be. That's why I constantly deleted my LinkedIn and never wanted to be on LinkedIn. Even though I created my LinkedIn ID for a few weeks, then I wasn't even posting, I wasn't even checking on that app. So that was a big mistake of mine. Now I am almost gonna touch 1k followers and I hope I'll touch more and more. Now let me tell you a story so that it inspires you to get on LinkedIn and make more and more connections, because you might feel like that let's just there is a phase in tech that I should just learn a tech stack, I should make projects and then apply for internship. This is actually a good path, but between that you should use LinkedIn. Yeah, you should add LinkedIn to your mobile because it's really helpful. Now let me share my story so that it inspires you, and let me tell you, if you are in tech, if you are a doctor, teacher, or a student, or whatever field you are in, LinkedIn is used by everyone. So my story was, I don't actually remember how I got active on LinkedIn, or when and how I started posting, and yeah, but I made a friend on LinkedIn, which I would call a connection for now. And then I one day I saw his post that he posted something that he went to a tech event, and you don't have to care about tech event. So I saw his post that he went to a tech event and he wrote Google, and I saw that word Google only, and I didn't even ask him how was it, and nothing I expected. I just asked him how did you went there, and he said there is a website, and he gave me that website. He said that you can also register here, and he also told me some procedure. There is a procedure, of course, that you get a ticket, then you have to go. And me personally, I'm a girl who have never been to even to the next street all alone, and it was first time me traveling 3 hours away from my home all alone with a transport that I have never used, which was metro. Yeah, I am living in Delhi and I never used metro. So um, yeah, I gathered up all my courage just to click that register button, and I clicked it. I got my RSVP or ticket, whatever you want to call it. And then I, of course, had to fight with my parents, and I met some superb people there. I had my fun. I met some, senior guys. I met friends. And there are so many friends I met in that event who are still helping with me with my career, with my tech, with my study. So was that connection helpful to me? Yes, it was, and I am gonna thank him for letting me know that this is something that you can do while being in tech, and you can actually have fun, make friends, make connections. So what this story actually tells us, I made a random connection. I asked him something and he helped me out. Now who I am right now, and I'm being known by multiple. So that is because I started going in events. I took part and I started organizing. That is a different story, but that connection helped me to recognize myself and to find something that was actually beneficial to me. Now, what I actually learned, I would say that opportunities come from people and connection is a key. Communication is a key, that line you must have heard, but I would say connection is a key, then communication happens. And if you are an introvert, please, 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 I beg you to be a little bit extrovert. If you are here, stand here, then here. It will keep on growing. You have to step the ladder, right? So I'm not here to give you motivation, though I am, but yeah. And I would say that uh, the another thing, followers are nice, but you know that line that we are able to listen from our elders, or anyone, that one friend is better. What is that line? One genuine friend is better than 100 fake friends. Yeah, yeah. So followers also matters, but if the followers are genuine, you can ask them, you can contact them anytime, then those followers are gold for you. Now, in the end, takeaway, what I would say is, if I hadn't kept LinkedIn, kept deleting LinkedIn account, none of this would have happened. And now I am doing all good. I'm an inspiration for myself. I'm in self love, yeah. So I'm organizing events. I'm recording this because of that event, that connection I made. And whoever I am right now, I'm known by multiple. I have multiple connection in multiple offices, blah blah blah, because of that single connection. And seriously, I realize this when I am recording this video. I'll thank him for whatever he have done to me. Oh my god, thanks brother. Bye bye guys, let's meet you later. And if you have any doubts or need any motivation, so you can just drop a comment in the comment box. I'll reach you out. Thank you and bye bye.